Hello, beautiful soul. I'm here sitting down. It's Christina Joy, Lovejoy, doing some sun god gazing. Um, it's after the mass in the morning, so probably around 10 something now. I didn't see the clock, but it's just beautiful looking straight to the sun god gazing. Oh, so beautiful, sparkling blue velvet sun. I thank you. Happy Fiesta, Saint Joseph. Saint Joseph in Sindangan, Saint Joseph around the world, Father of Christ here in this world. Thank you, Mama Mary. I love you. I thank you. It's Christina Joy, Love Joy.